What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. We're going to take a look at some headlines. One of them being Solana possibly getting an ETF, or at least company filing for a Solana ETF. We're going to talk about that. SEC getting sued by Coinbase. Talk about that. And we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. Take a look at the chart on Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the bull market support band and how important this current area, this current price point that Bitcoin is in. And I'll give you my analysis on all that, how I seize it. All right, it'll be pretty quick. And then we're going to take a look at, because of the potential Solana ETF, we're going to take a look at the Solana meme coin plays that I have. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, so two headlines. Coinbase officially sues the SEC, FDIC, accusing federal regulators of trying to cut out the crypto industry. That's horrible. How dare they? I hope Coinbase wins. I'm not a huge fan of Coinbase, but I hope they do win. And I am a fan of Base. I do have a few meme coin plays on Base. Van Eck, this is a good one. Van Eck officially files for a spot Solana ETF, and with that, I'm sure the price of Solana went up a little bit. We're going to take a look at some meme plays after that, but that's stuff that you should know. Okay, and we're going to take a look right now at what Bitcoin is doing. All right, this is the bull market support band. We'll take a look at that, and once I zoom out a little bit, but what it's been doing the last few days, guys, we are fighting to hold on to this level right here. Remember, this is the bottom part of this channel. Right, this is the bottom of this channel that Bitcoin has been in basically since February 28th. Okay, the top part is up here, so at around like 73,300 ish. All right, and the bottom part is here at 62,200 ish, more or less. Okay, and right now Bitcoin is at 61,200 is the bottom line right here. And right now, Bitcoin is just above it at 61,534. As you can see, we've been just, if you could see it, it kind of looks like a little megaphone right here. See the ascending line right here, right? You could see that. See if we can make it bigger, right? The ascending line up here, which we have been above for a while, and we have been above this right here is the bull market support band. We have been above this for a while. And right now we are just right at it. The support right here, right now this is looking like rejection. Just the last 3 days we've been rejected, and we've almost lost it. We've lost it a few times. On the 24th, we went as low as 58,400, but that got wicked up pretty good. And since then, we haven't really gone that low. Okay, on the 25th, we went as low as, well, we opened up the candle at 60,200, and then we spent the rest of the time going up, rejected. The 26th, that was the 25th. The 26th, we got rejected and came down, lost it. Right, we went as low as 60,600, and on the 27th, which is today, we're moving back up, getting back the losses that we incurred yesterday. But as you can see, big rejection right here. So let's see what happens. Right now, I think if we lose this, and right now we're on the verge of losing the bull market support band. And if that's the case, I could see us be right underneath it right here for a couple of months, okay, which would bring us to the end of July. To the end of August. And why do I say that? Well, the last time we were underneath it, all right, was during this upswing. The last time we were underneath it, all right. So this upswing basically has started since it peaked out since Bitcoin bottomed out November 20 of the cycle, around November 21st, let's say, right? More or less is where I see that right there. Yeah, 21st of November, let's say. Since then, we've been going up and up and up. And the last time we've been below this bull market support band was this little area, this little stretch right here, between August 18th, more or less. We got out of it October 15th. August, September, October. How many days is that? Let's say from here to roughly here. Yeah, 59, 60 days. So 2 months we spent underneath it, just below it, not too much underneath it. Then we gained it back, right? And then after that, we just kept going up and up, and we've stayed above it since then. Okay, so 2 months. So if we do lose it, I can envision something very similar. Let me see if I can make it better for you guys so you can see. Right, playing in and around it, I can envision something very similar. In and around it, similar to here. These 60 days just doing something like this. But I envision that obviously maybe just like right around this little area between 59,000, just a smidge under 60,000 to around, you know, 64,000. I don't know if we get back up here yet. Just underneath, yeah, 63. Remember, this is an ascending line, so every day this gets a little higher. So this area of resistance increases in price, basically, right? Today it was as high as 62,300. Tomorrow it's going to be 62,400. This 61,200 stays the same. This line right through here. So it could be that we just kind of play right here. Maybe lose it a little bit for a little bit, and just kind of play right around this area for a couple of months, and then boom, right back in it. Let's see. But it would be cool. I would feel more comfortable Bitcoin being above this descending line and back into this triangle. But who knows? Who knows? We'll take it day by day. All right. Again, this is all in and around this triangle is all buying opportunities, and there are a lot of deals out there. Let's take a look at some meme plays from the Solana ecosystem, because I don't know if they're going to get approved for the ETF, but if they do that, even on the speculation on them filing, on Van Eck filing for a spot ETF, that's probably going to boost the price of some of these meme plays. Skid, the first one here, Success Kid on Solana. And it's actually at a great buy price, 4 cents. My average buy price is 7. Okay, so it's just above that. I made all my buys. I'm just waiting and holding for this consolidation period to end. And if they do get approved, man, all of these things are gonna pump too, man. Especially I think meme plays, because meme plays are just so volatile and they can move really fast, really strong, really hard. Success Kid is one of that I like a lot. Ponky is also on Solana. This one already has a $238 million market cap, right? As you can see, it's kind of getting out of this kind of area and looking like it wants to make a slow leg up, next leg up. It's just above my average buy price of 40 cents. It's at 42 right now. Ponky, an interesting one. I only have a little bit of money because I don't like a huge market cap like that to get into. There's less gains to be had in my opinion. But hey, this thing can go into the billions, I'm sure. It's already close. And what is another one? This one. LF Go. Let's effing go. 0.007, just under a penny. My average buy price is a penny. This thing has great memes. Really, really great memes. Lego theme memes. But they can make memes out of anything, anybody. Just like I don't know if you've ever seen those Lego movies. You know, Batman. Whatever, anything else they can legify and turning into memes they can. So $7 million market cap, 333 volume, great buy price, under a penny, 0.007. I think that one's going to do really well. And what is my other one? Slothana. Sloth has dropped down a lot. Okay, I only have a little bit of capital in this one too. I only made like 3 buys on it, which is like the minimum amount of buys that I like to make on a project. And I don't think I'll add more. It would be cool to add just maybe one more to lower this average buy price by a lot, but I think I'm cool. After this, let's see once it consolidates. Solana gets their ETF. This thing could pump too. People really like this meme. It gets a lot of attention in Twitter. All right, $18.5 million market cap, $500,000 in volume. And I think those are all my Solana meme play guys. Meme plays. Let's see what happens here. We're really in this little tight triangle right here, guys. Okay, or megaphone structure, whatever it is, right here. You can see it up against it, right? Up against it. Do we lose this? If we lose this little area right here, then we're gonna be struggling around here for a couple of months, guys. Unless there's like some really strong news, and things are looking pretty bullish to me. I will be honest. So I mean, I could also foresee it that we don't spend right here, and that we come right back in here, and then we just kind of right here on the top of this bull market support band, and then later and for a couple of months just kind of play right here, bore people to death right here before things start moving up, or maybe things start moving up a little sooner. Who knows? Then we come back down in September, but we'll see. It's all speculation. Play it day by day. We are more or less have an idea, right? If not right here, then up here. But either way, here or here, ideally down here if you're still accumulating, but here at 65, 66,000, or here at 61, 60, 61, 62,000. It's all buying opportunities, okay? Before things start getting really crazy, parabolic. Guys, if you can, please leave a comment and subscribe if you possibly can. That'd be great. I'm trying to grow this channel and all that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.